Hey Mel Blanc fans, I'm at the grave of the famous man with 1,000 voices, and here's the grave. And as you can see, the inscription says, "That's all folks, Porky Pig, man of 1,000 voices." And I guess this particular fan, his homage to Pepe Le Pew and Foghorn Leghorn, and I guess somebody put this beautiful garden for him. Maybe a fan, maybe his children, but they probably did it because of all the happiness he brought to us kids in the 1960s. And if a lot of you fans want to know, he did the voice of Wile E. Coyote, Daffy Duck, Speedy Gonzales, Tweety Bird, Sylvester the Cat. My favorite was Speedy Gonzales. Of course, it's so politically incorrect, they don't have the nerve to show it anymore, but I don't care. That was my favorite cartoon. And besides, I can say that because I'm Hispanic. Okay, we're right here at Hollywood Forever Cemetery in the heart of Hollywood, and we're going to go now to see Peter Finch's grave, and we're going to also go see Rudolph Valentino's grave. And if you guys remember from the movie Network, the famous quip from Peter Finch, "I'm mad as hell and I'm not going to take this anymore." Okay, so follow me, fans, and we'll go see where their last resting place is. And over there, straight on where that gravestone says Getty, that's where Estelle Getty's buried from. I think that show was the Golden Girls in the 80s and 90s. Okay, well, for what it's worth, let's go to Rudolph Valentino's grave.